Happy Earth Day. It's a very special day indeed. It's our one time of the year to celebrate and intentionally commemorate the ways that hopefully we are living every day, which is in thankfulness for the planet that we are a part of. And yet, because it is a special day, I'm trying to be a little more intentional in terms of how I spend it. And I hope you will do the same, and so that that can be actualized and ripple out into every day moving forward. And so, to begin, I certainly will get outside and do whatever I can to celebrate the day and the world that I'm a part of. I also plan to spend some time to intentionally think on and reflect all the reasons that our Earth is so very important, not to mention that it's so imperiled as a result of human activity. And so, in that way, to feel a greater sense of responsibility and inspiration to do the other thing that I hope to do, which is to be of service, to find some way to give back my thankfulness. And that might be picking up trash, planting a tree. Maybe I'll find a local organization that has organized a project that helps our local ecosystem and community, and I will certainly feel really good about that. And so I hope in whatever ways you can, that you'll find ways to get out and celebrate the earth. And yet there's a final thing that I'd invite you to do that I hope will carry forward into all of the rest of your days. And that is to deeply, deeply connect with the world around you in such a way that's not just from your head, but rather drops down into your heart and into what my father called your earth kit, into your body, so that your earth kit is connecting with the earth kit around you in a really deep, poignant, and dare I say, intimate way. And so in that regard, we drop down and something blossoms in our heart, and it seeps into the pores of our psyches and spirits in a way that something qualitatively shifts. And so that our gratitude and our sense of belonging isn't just something that emerges from our thoughts and our minds, but really is felt so poignantly in our heart and in our souls. And what that does is it ripples forward in really positive ways insofar as when I do go outside, when I do think of how important the earth is, and certainly when I do give back in service, it feels different because it's emerging from this open heart. It is emerging from gratitude and belonging and respect and awe and wonder that is really at the very center of my being, that place that is intimately connected with all of the natural world around us. And dare I say that it flowers a sense of love, a beautiful experience that therefore I want to give back, not to give back to the planet in a way that might end up, I get tired, I lose my energy or my momentum, but rather I want to give back in service from a place of reciprocity. I'm so aware of how much I receive that I want to return and give back to this world that I am a part of. I am a part of nature and a part of the earth, just as it is a part of me. So that reciprocity inspires me to do all that I can from a place of love and gratitude. So I hope you will find time on Earth Day and every day to drop into your earth kit, to intimately connect with the world around you, whether it's the sound of a bird, a flower around you, a forest, or a body of water, to really feel it in the depths of your heart, psyche, and soul in a way that ripples throughout the world, that flowers in you in a way that you can give back, that makes the world a better place, that sustains us through our coming days, and also supports the earth that is so in need of gratitude and help. So be well, be thankful. Nature knows the way.